which Hogwarts house do you guys think you belong in and why? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas-based flight attendant. However, today I am actually on vacation with my little sister Alicia. You guys will get to meet her soon. We are in Orlando, Florida, and we are heading to Universal Studios today for Harry Potter World. I am so excited. I am such a huge Harry Potter fan. I've read all the books. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. We're gonna go through security before we head into the park. We just walked into Universal Studios. This is my sister Alicia. Hi. And so now we are trying to find the actual entrance to the park, and then we are off to Harry Potter World. So we made it into the park, and now we are just trying to figure out where we go so we can actually get into Hogsmeade and see all of Harry Potter World. What's nice too is the weather is pretty cool, so it's not super hot. I just hope that it doesn't rain too much on us today, but no matter what, we will make the most of today, and it's gonna be an awesome, awesome, awesome day here at Universal Studios. Hi.
What's your name, sister?
I'm Julia.
That Taria?
Julia.
Oh, also, Julia. That's my bad. Julia, I got dreads in my ears. Let me shake them out real quick. Hold on. Let me shake them out.
Good.
Yeah, I'm better now. Now, Julia, you do magic, right?
Yes.
You can just tell, man. It's a vibe.
So we went into the little Quidditch shop, and it actually leads into a candy shop and the Weasley's joke shop, so it looks like everything is interconnected, which is really cool, especially since it's raining outside, so we're trying to wait out the rain. That it finally stopped raining, we're gonna go try and find some rides, and then if it starts raining again, we'll go back into some of the shops. We are leaving Diagon Alley, and we're gonna go get on the Hogwarts Express and head to Hogsmeade and the castle. So we are now in King's Crossing, and we are about to get on the Hogwarts Express and head over to Hogsmeade and all of the attractions. We just went on the virtual reality Harry Potter ride. It was like through the Hogwarts castle and everything, so that was really cool. And now we're gonna see what other rides we can go on since the weather is still looking pretty good before we do some shopping. We are now gonna ride the Flight of Hippogriff ride. So now we've been on 2 out of the 3 rides here in Hogsmeade. I think there's only 3, but the Hagrid's ride is over a 3-hour wait, so I definitely don't know if we're gonna do that. I mean, you could watch a whole dang Harry Potter movie while you're in line for the Harry Potter ride. So now I think we're gonna go and try and find some butterbeer. So I noticed this when I went on my cruise in August in Florida. Everywhere they are using paper straws. So I think that is awesome, and they are doing that here at Universal Studios as well. Also, just in my opinion, the frozen butterbeer is way better than the non-frozen one. We just drank our butterbeers. It's starting to rain out, but we're waiting in line to go see the Ollivanders wand show, which should be pretty cool. So I'm being lame and I am not buying a Harry Potter wand while I'm here, just because they're pretty expensive, and there are other souvenirs that I would rather get, like a Christmas ornament and magnets, because I feel like I will get more use out of those. And I don't really feel like I'm losing out on any experience here from not having the wand, even though a lot of them are interactive, but I'm still having a great time even without that. We're gonna take a quick stop in Honeydukes. Thank you. It does smell really, really good in here. It smells really sweet. We're gonna walk through Diagon Alley one more time. It is starting to rain, unfortunately, and I'm gonna get some souvenirs, and then we'll see if there's anything else we want to do here in Harry Potter World, or if we want to go explore the rest of Universal Studios. Shenanigans for all. That there was a ride here in Diagon Alley. It's called Escape from Gringotts. So we're in line right now to get a locker to put our stuff away, and then we're gonna go on that ride. We left Harry Potter World. We've spent basically the entire day there, and we're both really hungry, so we're gonna try and find a place to eat. We just finished eating lunch, and now we're gonna try and go on some of the really big roller coasters here at Universal Studios, especially since I do have the Express Pass, so hopefully the lines won't be too long. The first ride we're going to go on is the Transformers big ride. So it's 3D, so hopefully it'll be cool. So while we were on the Transformers ride, it actually stopped because there was a little kid that was getting out of his seat, and they made an announcement and stopped the ride and said that everyone has to stay in their seat. So it kind of just threw everything off, but everyone ended up being okay.
Right this way. You go now. It's fantastic. Right this way. Wonderful. Shorty, no autograph.
Alicia and I are getting exhausted, so we just walked through Hogsmeade one last time, and it looks like this will probably be the end of our day at Universal Studios in Orlando. As souvenirs, I ended up getting these two magnets. I'll take one and then my sister Alicia will take the other. And I ended up getting this really pretty Gryffindor Christmas ornament. We're back in our rooms now, so we're gonna call it a night. We are heading to Disney World tomorrow, so make sure that you guys stay tuned because I'm definitely gonna have a vlog come out about that as well. One thing I did want to mention is that I highly recommend getting the Express Pass at Universal Studios. We were able to get in front of the lines very quickly and it made our experience at the park much better. Have any of you guys ever been to Harry Potter World, either in California or Universal Studios in Florida? Thank you everyone so much for watching this video and for supporting my channel. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye.